Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius air sign. Oh, it's your card and it's your reading. The Star. Seven of Cups. Under the deck, the World, Queen of Pentacles, the Magician, and Two of Cups. Magician. So you will be in Magician energy near future, especially in the month of July. You will manifest whatever you want when you are in high vibration. Okay. And Queen of Pentacles. So your total focus is on your career, on your abundance. And the World, lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Some cycles are going to be ended between you and your person. For some already ended. And it's a soulmate connection. It's a mutual love. Yes. Especially you are thinking about them a lot. So let's see your reading recent past. Five of Pentacles, the Fool and Justice. I think they neglected you. Maybe they're not available to you when you need them. That type of situation. You're feeling neglected. You're feeling rejected. Then you're focusing on yourself. You are going with the flow, living in the present moment. Then you received communication from your person and for second chances. But you decided to cut off this person or you want to take your control back. That was past. Then present, 10 of Wands, 8 of Wands and 2 of Pentacles. And it is becoming hard work for you because you only the person always taking care of this relationship. And there is lots of communication is coming from someone. And there is some positive change or drastic change is coming. Two of Pentacles, you are juggling, Aquarius. Maybe you want to cut off this person, maybe you want to let go of this person, but you are juggling. You can't let go of this person because some part of you want this person back and some part of you want let go of this person. There is some juggling. Future, Page of Swords, the Star and Seven of Cups. Lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Children's also involved in this connection. There is some positive shift is coming, especially in your career maybe. For some, maybe you have options in love. For some, you are in some confusion. Which decision you have to make. Lot of confusion. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or especially Libra or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Magician, Two of Wands, Empress and Ace of Pentacles. They are thinking about you very positively and they are thinking about you 24/7. For some, they want to manifest you back in their life. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Aquarius. Star. I think you both are on the same page. Strength. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be another Aquarius or Leo or Five of Swords. And under the deck, Queen of Cups, 10 of Swords and King of Swords. Right now, your person is very tight. They're very sad. They want rebirth in this connection for sure. They do love you, but there are some issues, guys. Five of Swords. Maybe they hurt you in past. Now they're scared for rejection. Maybe they're feeling guilty. They have regrets, but they still have hopes on this connection. They're still thinking about positively about this connection. They are working on their strength, inner strength. So let's see their intentions. Six of Wands, Four of Swords, the Hierophant. So they are thinking about commitment. There are some commitment issues between marriage issues between you and your person. Four of Cups, the World with Ace of Wands. They have a lot of passion towards you. Aquarius, right now they're missing you. They want reconciliation with you. They want success in this connection. But to be honest with you, they want to come forward, but they're taking their time. They're healing. And they're scared. Right now they're working on their self, but they're thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about commitment. Yes, they have regrets, Aquarius. They want success in this connection. Maybe they are spying on you a lot. They're missing you so much. Yes. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They are feeling guilty, what I'm getting here, for what they did to you in past. Six of Pentacles, maybe they neglected you, they treated you as an option in past. Page of Cups, yes. So they want to say apology to you because in past they did hurt you. Now they want to say apology. They have regrets. The Devil, they're obsessed with you, and the Tower. Right now they're going through some Tower moment. Yes, your person is obsessed with you and they're going through Tower moment. You are taking your control back. Now you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. And you are working towards your goals, working hard towards your goals. And you're focused on your abundance. Yes, you want this happiness from your person and it is not happening. You're heartbroken. Yes, that's why you total focus on your career, Aquarius. Even though you are very sad, but you want to overcome that pain. That's why you are changing your thoughts. Yes, King of Pentacles with King of Cups, Five of Swords and Lovers. Love is there, love is mutual, but there are some obstacles between you and your person. There are some issues. Family could be the issue here. Commitment could be the issue. And King of Cups with King of Pentacles. So one person may be focused on their career. One person now offering their love to other person in this connection. So your person ready to offer their love, but they have regrets. They are feeling guilty. Now they are realizing their mistake. So yes, there is text is coming. They want to say apology to you. They want success in this connection. Then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. I'm serious about you. Lot of abundance is coming. I realized my mistake. Yes. Reunion is coming. Long distance relationship, and I am not feel good enough for you. So I am not feeling good enough for you. I am serious about you. Lot of abundance is coming. I realized my mistake. Long distance relationship. Reunion is coming. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. So if you want to achieve anything but you're feeling Maybe you're feeling helpless, and it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. So if you want to achieve anything, but you have no guts, maybe you have no belief system to achieve, but look at the bigger picture. This is the one of the message, and it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio energy. So if you are thinking about someone or something about negatively, so this is the time to release negativity or negative thoughts. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.